Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be discussing heating of some salts, and the question asks how many compound will liberate NH3 on heating. So let's discuss one by one. So the first salt is ammonium sulfate. So when this would be heated, so basically when a salt containing ammonium is heated, the ammonium give it H plus to the anion part and NH3 is liberated. So it would give it anion to SO, it would give it H plus to the anion SO4 2 minus. So basically there are two ammonium ion, so 2H plus will given to SO4 2 minus, and so basically H2SO4 would be obtained, and on further heating this H2SO4 would also undergo decomposition to form SO3. So from this NH3 is obtained. Now let's move to the second salt, which is heating of ammonium carbonate, and it would occur in a similar fashion to the previous one. The 2 ammonium would give it 2H plus to CO3 2 minus to form 2NH3 and H2CO3. And now this H2CO3 is extremely volatile, which would undergo decomposition to form CO2 and H2O. So in this case also ammonia is obtained. Now let's move to the third salt, which is heating of NH4Cl. Now if it is heated mildly, it would simply undergo sublimation. From solid it would be converted to gas. Now on stronger heating, NH3 and HCl would be obtained. And the fourth salt, which is basically ammonium nitrate, NH4NO2. So this is a salt in which the oxidation state, one higher oxygen state and one lower oxygen state of ammonia coexist. So in this case we have to take the average oxidation state, and that compound would be formed as a product. So taking average oxygen state, the product would formally N2O, or another shortcut is that remove the maximum possible water from this compound. So the maximum possible water that would be obtained from this compound would be 2. So when we will remove 2 water, that is, if you remove 2 water from this, then 4 hydrogen and plus 2 oxygen would be required, and this compound contained 4 hydrogen and 3 oxygen. So basically 1 oxygen would be left and 2 nitrogen would be left, so N2O would be liberated. And let's move to the last part, which says heating of ammonium dichromate, which would liberate N2 and Cr2O3. So basically that's all.